First Minister, just on another point of clarity, in the past you said, and I quote, "I don't reckon the population of Wales would feel inclined to spend on aircraft carriers." Now, as you said, we now live in one of the most volatile periods any of us have ever experienced, and you're calling and consistently calling for drastic cuts in defence spending. Is that still your position? And do you believe that drastic cuts in defence should include cuts in cybersecurity, which keeps our democracy here in Wales safe from hostile threats from abroad?
The aircraft carriers, I will address the aircraft carriers issue, actually. That's the title of a book, actually, isn't it? How many aircraft carriers would an independent Wales need? Answer, 0. You know, that's rather different to what the member is implying. Listen, I recognise, and my government recognises, that we face changing threats, that we face very real threats. And that at those times there needs to be a recognition of the need to invest properly in conventional defence. And nowadays that very much includes cyber warfare, which in hybrid way is already happening around us. So in those terms, yes, I recognise the need to invest, but I do not recognise that it is up to UK government without discussion to make decisions that impact the ability of governments, be it in Wales or other parts of these islands, to invest in public services as decisions made unilaterally on defence. I think these are very important principles that all of us in this chamber should have strong opinions on.